Okay, so I've posted about this job site before, most likely how they've torn down the supermarket, which was at that site here, and then actually how they were start building the groundwork here, and also I posted about the elevator tower. Today I actually just want to show you how they are starting with the plumbing, which you see here with these white PVC pipes. They are putting them in the ground right now, and once that is done, they are gonna pour the concrete slab on top of that, and that will be done within a few weeks. But I thought, if you've never seen that before, like the plumbing is done for a bigger condo building like this one that's gonna be 3 stories, which you see at the elevator tower actually. And I guess there will be more than 50 units in there. So that's how the plumbing actually looks like. It's a major undertaking right now. And I thought for the few of you which maybe have never seen that, I think it's quite interesting. And you can actually see it will be on, that building has a U shape, so it will be on the inside of the U where they do the plumbing. And the other side, you see, that will be the outside facing the street. There will be no plumbing.